Today we're going to show you how to use the QR code scanner, the method to connect to his access points. Very easy method, no IPs involved and nothing difficult about it. If you've got an Apple phone, you can do this directly from the camera. Simply fire the camera up and scan the QRs. If you've got an Android like we have here, then if you have a look in the instructions or on his website, which is perceptionwifi.co.uk, it does suggest a very good app, which is the app that we're going to show you today. This app is called QR Code Reader, and with QR Code Reader it understands both URL and Wi-Fi SSID logins, so this makes the app very useful for this. So if we fire the QR Code Reader up like so, it brings up a camera like you can see, and scan your first QR code. The first QR code is the Wi-Fi login, so this automatically logs you into the access point. So we bring that across the QR and just scan that, and there we go. It says ProWifi 2.4G. Simply press connect. Connected to ProWifi 2.4G. Now give it a few seconds to do that, and we'll move that away so it doesn't scan it again, and then press the bin. Now that will have connected to the access point, and the next thing you're going to do is scan the next QR code, and you'll find these QR codes in the instructions, by the way. So scan your next QR code. This QR code is for logging into the admin screen. So bring that across with the camera. There we go. Press the URL there. This is logging into the access point. Just give it a few seconds to log in. And there we go. Log in with the password admin, which is the default password. So I'll just delete that and use admin, like so, and log in. And it's as easy as that to log into the access point. Just scan your two QR codes and log in with the word admin, and then you go to the wizard and you would walk through the wizard depending on what mode you were selecting, and that's how you use the QR codes.